Unite beyond boundaries. Innovate together. Joe's PANKRATION 2024. No border.
Hi, you guys all. How's it going? Thank you for this opportunity. I want to start my session. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Yutaka Hiroyama. I work at Added Incorp as CISO and also Director of Internal Control Promotion Office and Deputy Division Director of Cloud Integration Division. In those divisions, I'm in charge of Company Regulation Controller, Incident Commander, and managing some teams. Such as operation teams, developer teams, who integrates operate automation, and security teams. That's too much. You know, all Japanese workers work so much. We are famous for Cloud Park service. We provide one-stop services, design, application development, construct infrastructure, and operate of them. We are premier partner of AWS as one of the first companies in Japan since 2013. At first, try quick quiz. Do you think attackers can steal data via this AWS Lambda function? I guess you think it by stored data such as RDS or DynamoDB. Well then, if I commented out this line, is it possible to take data steal? The answer is yes. Caution, don't try attack anyone else's environments. So let's hacking AWS Lambda. This is architecture diagram of AWS Lambda. Left diagram is configuration overview. When cold start happened, container is created by AWS. It's orange background. Container is destroyed if continue no access time. And if many requests comes, multiple containers are created automatically. Container has a pair of bootstrap and handler. Handler is code which written by user. In this diagram, index.php. Handler is called by bootstrap. Bootstrap, we also call it runtime. This mechanism is common by any other runtimes. Right diagram is procedure of runtime task. The receive fast execution request. The bootstrap executes runtime loop. which contains GET request, call handler, and post results. Attacker create evil bootstrap and send it to target. Evil bootstrap will take place of formal bootstrap via OS command injection. That's the overview of this attack. So let's describe more detail. Attacker create input data file for the handler program, load it. If this attack success, bootstrap process replaced by evil process. I describe that by diagrams. Attacker send data which contains evil bootstrap and process changer. Replaced evil bootstrap sent stolen data to attacker. Most of attackers create bootstrap which work also normal task. Because of it, we can hardly acknowledge we are attacked. This is a sample of evil bootstrap. Red line and square is key points. Square is code that sends data by post method to specific address. And red line calls it. This is a sample of replacing process script. Load every bootstrap on temporary directory or memory and execute it as current process ID. Pack of them by such script and send it to target. This is actual stolen data from my test environment. You can view data by decoded. Let's move next section. This is AWS Lambda's shared responsibility model. Who has responsibility for the attack, just I said? The attack broke this blue line square. So is it AWS's responsibility? No, this attack occurred in this area. So it's customer's responsibility. In other words, AWS Lambda architecture is not bad. What you use library which has vulnerability is bad. This vulnerability is CVE 2017-18342. PyYAML library version 5.1 or less has it. I show the first quiz code again. This code load input data without sanitizing or validation. Could we protect this attack? We have some way to avoid it. Shift left is for prevent attack, like scan code, network separate, and encrypt data. Shield right is for find and protect. For example, WAF, IDS IPS, CWPP, and some AWS managed services. This is actual example screenshots. Amazon code group finds this code weakness. We also protect by using AWS WAF. This is custom rule, but many of managed rule can find it too. Customers whom I consulted before, many of them only considered shield right, like WAF, IDS, IPS. It is not wrong, but shift left is important too. In other words, to protecting your family from enemy, not only collecting weapons but also lock the door. So let's wrap up. AWS Lambda is not dangerous because attacked container can be recreated automatically. But you should countermeasure. And you had better to know the architecture of you chose for considering how to protect it. Both shift left and shield right are important. That's all. Thank you for listening. Enjoy your time after that. Thank you.